Now let's solve this problem. Tan A divided by secant A minus 1 plus tan A divided by secant A plus 1 is equal to 2 cosecant A. In this problem we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Now let's solve this. First let me write down the LHS. Solution. First let me write down the LHS. We know that the LHS is tan A divided by secant A minus 1. Tan A divided by secant A minus 1. Secant A minus 1 plus tan A divided by secant A plus 1. Secant A plus 1. Here we have to take the LCM. Secant A minus 1, secant A plus 1 is the LCM. Okay. Secant A minus 1 into secant A plus 1 is the LCM. Now look at this. Secant A minus 1, it is in the denominator. But our LCM is secant A minus 1 into secant A plus 1. So we will multiply it by secant A plus 1. Therefore it will become tan A into secant A plus 1. Tan A into secant A plus 1 plus. Now look at this denominator, secant A plus 1. But our LCM is secant A minus 1 into secant A plus 1. Therefore we will multiply it by secant A minus 1. Therefore it will become tan A into secant A minus 1. Tan A into secant A minus 1. Now let me multiply this one. Tan A into secant A. Okay. Tan A into secant A plus tan A into 1 is tan A. Okay. Plus. Now let me multiply these two. That is tan A into secant A. Tan A into secant A. Plus into minus is minus. Tan A into 1 is tan A. Okay. Be careful here. Plus into minus is minus. Okay. Whole divided by secant A minus 1 into secant A plus 1. Now look at this. This is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. And we will remember the formula. What is that? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, right? We know the formula. A plus B into A minus B. We can write it as A square minus B square. Here we have secant A plus 1. Secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1. Secant A minus 1. In the place of A we have secant A. And in the place of B we have 1. Therefore A square, it will become secant square A. Minus B square, it will become 1 square. I can write it as 1. Because 1 square is 1. Okay. Therefore this one, I can replace it as secant square A minus 1. Secant square A minus 1. Okay. Now look at this. Plus tan A minus tan A, it will get cancelled. Plus tan A minus tan A, it will get cancelled. Tan A into secant A plus tan A into secant A. It will become 2 tan A into secant A. Okay. 2 tan A into secant A. Now, secant square A minus 1. We know the formula 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Okay? Therefore, tan square A, what it will become? Secant square A. This plus 1, when it will come this side, it will become minus 1. So, this secant square A minus 1, I can write it as tan square A. Therefore, this one, I can write it as tan square A. Now, look at this. To secant A whole divided by tan square A means tan A it is present 2 times. Therefore, I can write it as tan A into tan A. Okay. Now, tan A it will get cancelled. What is left? 2 secant A divided by tan A. Now, let me continue here. 2 secant A divided by tan A. 2 secant A divided by tan A. We know that secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Therefore, it will become 2 into secant A. I can write it as 1 by cos A whole divided by tan A. I can write it as sin A divided by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A. Already I told you it is whole divided by. Means what? It is numerator and it is denominator. It is numerator and it is denominator. In the denominator, cos A it is same. Cos A is in the denominator. Here also cos A is in the denominator. So, both they will get cancelled. Okay? Cos A, we can cancel it. So, what is left? 2 divided by sin A. Okay? 2, 1 by sin A. This 2 divided by sin A, I can write it as 2 into 1 by sin A. We know that 1 by sin A is cosecant A, right? That is 2, 1 by sin A, I can write it as cosecant A. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.